Hello. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my podcast. Today, I will talk about Ramadan. Ramadan is a very special month for Muslims. Around the world, it is a month of faith, a month of patience, and a month of kindness. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. During this month, Muslims fast every day. Fasting means they do not eat and they do not drink from sunrise to sunset. They wake up very early in the morning to eat a small meal. This meal is called suhoor. After that, they stop eating and they stop drinking all day. In the evening, at sunset, they break their fast. This meal is called iftar. Ramadan is not only about food, it is also about prayer and helping other people. Muslims pray more during this month. They read the Holy Quran and they go to the mosque. There is a special night prayer called Taraweeh. Ramadan teaches people to be patient and to be thankful. When people feel hungry, they understand how poor people feel. So, they give charity and they help people in need. At the end of Ramadan, there is a big celebration. It is called Eid al-Fitr. On this day, families visit each other, they wear new clothes, and they eat delicious food. Ramadan is a month of love, of peace, and of self-control. It helps people become better and feel closer to God. Thank you for listening. This is Sarah. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.